Hi guys, this is Jadirah Sarmad. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm recreating this beautiful face chart from Milk1422 on Instagram, and it's all about glossy mint eyes and faux freckles. So first, I'm using this eyeshadow primer by Luscious. It's called their Angel Eyes Primer, and I'm just using it so that our green pops even more when we apply it. Then I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'll be using this beautiful green shade. It's minty green. I love this kind of green. So first, I had just loosely packed on the pigment on my eyes, the eyeshadow, and I'm just blending the edges so that everything looks seamless. Now I'm going in with my finger to further, build up the pigment, and I personally love using my finger for lid. Now I will be applying the shimmery blue shade on top of the eyeshadow that we already have, because the look is a little bit glossy, and even though we will be adding oil later on, I just wanted to amp it up beforehand. So now I'm just using this black eyeshadow from the Zayfied palette, Beauty palette, and I'm going to dab the excess off on a tissue paper and just put a little bit of it on my outer corners, because the face chart did not have a lot of black eyeshadow, but it definitely did have some depth. And then I'll just pack on the green once again, so we do not have too much of the black going on. And now I'm just taking a little bit of black on the outer edges of my lower lash line. For my waterline, I'm using a white pencil. Now for contouring, I'm using this Luscious Cosmetics Contour Kit. This is a sample version, but I really love the shade. For highlight, I'm using this NYX Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Stardust. Now to make my lids glossy, I'm using just castor oil. You can use Vaseline, you can use anything you want to, but I use castor oil because I know it's eye safe. I use it for my lashes all the time, and I feel it's easier to use an oil because my eyeshadow did not bundle up, and I used the tiniest amount. And then I just went in with mascara. I did not use false lashes for this look because it was not required. Now onto the faux freckles. I'm using my ABH brow pomade first of all, and this product was a bit thick to work with, so I did not have the easiest of time, but I dotted some on, blended them out with a beauty blender, and then I ended up going in with some brown eyeshadow, and I further blended it out, as you'll see in the next one. For lip gloss, I'm using Kylie's lip gloss in the shade Exposed. It's one of my favorites, and it's just the perfect nude for my skin.